get you, stink the
He
jack
can't
out
control
and
his
£100 a
fucking
week.
clutch.
Funny this, isn't it? 5 years from now, he'll be considered
Oh my!
a top striker.
That is the shittest fucking idiot I've ever seen.
This here
That is how not
Lee,
to
what's your
drive.
reaction to Messi?
Embarrassing. Can't control his clutch, and he just goes.
Y en la otra quincena va a ahorrar otros 1000.
No sé, mi reina, pero yo siento que te estás complicando un poquito. ¿Y este?
Ay, Mateo, ya.
Mami, mira la luz. Tenemos luz verde hacia la derecha y este man se mete así. Eso no.
You didn't give any signal.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh, and we need water. And get another bottle of softener, right?
What the hell is going on here?
Oh!
Jesus Christ. It's not your fucking turn.
Man, you gotta pay.
Like, not even some few things here and there, snacks or something?
They give water, salt, like some crackers, but I'm hungry. Oh, what the fuck, man?
Holy moly.
Are they even seeing what they're
You
doing?
gotta look.
Ontario driver, man.
Oh my god.
I'm so excited. Over here. Nice.
I'm gonna go get him. What? You can't make a left there. One way. What?
Bro.
Oh my god.
Bro. What?
What the hell?
Who is she yelling at now? She's pointing at someone. Like.
Hi. Stop, maybe? I don't know. That'd be interesting. Young shy girl. That wasn't a stop. Close enough, Grandpa. Yeah, it's that wasn't necessary. What are you doing? Go! You stupid asshole! Look at this fucking idiot.
What?
Yes, I just gave Grandma the finger.
Turn left.
Goddamn dedicated turn lane. She pulls this shit.